If you are an African in the diaspora, no matter how much citizenship or whatever incentive they're giving you to stay in their country, never let that deceive you. Your homeland must not be your foreign land, and your homeland can't be burning while you are busy enjoying foreign land. If you don't take action, your children and children's children will curse you. They will insult you because you have not done anything to free your land from the hands of the wicked. How can it be so hard to live in our own land? Why are many of our young African minds leaving the continent? A simple answer would be because of bad leadership. Why do we have bad leadership? Because of the bad systems that produce those leaders. Why do we have bad systems? Because of our electoral process and form of government democracy. Why do we have this? Because of our bad history. Why do we have a bad history? Because of colonization. Why do we have colonization? Because of the greed and selfishness of our leaders. Why do we have this? Because we have forsaken our dignity as a true African people and started running after mundane things and frivolities. That is the same thing that our current leaders are doing. They are greedy and selfish, carrying our resources abroad. They are selling off our people and getting in exchange favors and goodies from the foreign manipulators. When you see the current wars going on in the world, you see the hands of the West. First, the war in Ukraine, you will understand that Russia is not fighting against Ukraine. Russia is fighting against the West. But many people don't understand this. Russia is fighting against the injustice and hypocrisy of the West. The West want to destroy Russia and loot its over $75 trillion worth of resources, just like the way they've done in Africa and are still doing. They want to keep looting everybody's resources while they keep making their own country rich, thinking they are the greatest power in the world. But that is a failed mission. They will never achieve that because no one can claim to be the most powerful in the world. The world has become multipolar, and no single person or country can claim superiority or authority over another. Humanity is stronger than any country in the world, and divinity is stronger than any human agenda. So, any human agenda that doesn't conform with the divine agenda has already failed. Those with evil plans will only prevail if they are not created by the Most High, only if they don't have breath in their nostrils, only if they are not doing all the natural processes that every living thing does, sleeping, eating, defecating, and so on. They are as powerless as carcasses. They only have energy because the giver of energy has not switched off the tap. Once he cuts them off, they are dead. So, they are nothing but dust of the ground. Now, here is the point. With all the wars going on, the West is willing to give it all it takes to defeat Russia because it doesn't want Russia to share power or influence with it in controlling Africa. Also, it doesn't want anyone to liberate Africa from its hands. It wants to keep looting resources from Africa without being challenged by anyone. Now that many African countries are leaning towards Russia and denouncing their former colonial masters, that is even aggravating them more against Russia and making them look for every way to defeat Russia and weaken its influence. But that's far from the truth. It will never happen. Russia will win this battle and will forever win. Read next, Move Africa, Part 4. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 2. Africa's nuclear weapon. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. All 1. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.